Guys, wake up, wake up. What do you want, Waddle? Yeah, what do you want? I've got something to show you guys, come on. Right, we're going now to the garden. Why do we need to go in the garden? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Can it wait until tomorrow? No, I want to show you guys now. Wait, what's that? Didn't know Waddle had his own shed outside. When did he put it outside? Put it out this week. There's something that I want to show you guys. There we go, check it out. Nice, a lawnmower. How did you get one of them? I used Freddy's allowance money. Oh, he's gonna be ticked off when he finds out that. Are we gonna use it now? No, we're not gonna use it now because we're gonna wake up the neighbours if we use it now. Especially Kamala will kick off. So we'll go to sleep now and play with it in the morning. Sounds like a good idea. In the morning. Right, lads, let's get it out. Hop, 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 hop. Alright, Sage, go plug it in. Right, it's all plugged in. Fundy and Blimpy, push it to the grass. Sage, Fundy and Blimpy, hop on the lawnmower. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Let's turn this puppy on. Oh yeah! Come on, faster, Waddle, faster! Yeah! That was fun! Yeah, that was so awesome! Right, who's pushing this time? I'll push this time. It's gonna be fun. Right, who's gonna push? I will. Can you believe I actually got a lawnmower with Freddy's allowance money? Yeah, so awesome. Let's get this puppy started. Blimpy, it's your turn. Let's get this thing started. Yeah. Right, Waddle, it's your turn again. Resting was fun while it lasted, but this one is going to be just as fun. Waddle! You and your friends are making a lot of noise with that. How did you get a lawnmower? Shall we tell him, lads? Yeah, probably best to. Right, I'm going to say this as kindly as I can. Freddy, how we got this lawnmower? We spent your allowance money with it. What? That really ticks me off now. That is not on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to destroy this lawnmower, then put it back in the box and send it back and say it accidentally got destroyed. Then you're going to give me the money for it. That's so not happening. Oh yes it is. Don't turn on the lawnmower. I've got a good idea. Right, Sage, thinking the same as me. Oh no, don't you dare chase me down with that lawnmower. Oh yeah, I am. Oh crud. Faster, Waddle. I insist. That was so much fun, yeah. Yeah, I wonder if we got any grass clippings we have to compost. Yes, we've got a lot. Bring the seat close to the grass bin. Watch closely, lads. Ugh. Wonder if Freddy's still in there. Right. When I get out of there, you are so done for. That won't be anytime soon. Waddle, you better let me out of there. Well, that was a good day. Yeah. I still don't regret spending Freddy's money on the lawnmower. Yeah. Wait, what if he gets out of the compost bin? Oh, I got a good solution. There we go. Now he cannot come in.